Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can fix your Miele dishwasher not draining. So the water is here, it's not draining at all, or if it's blocked. So there is a number of things that you can do to check. The first thing is to check the drain holes. So here under the sink there is the disposal. In the drain hose right here, you want to open this and check to make sure it is not blocked. So here I have opened it already. And as you can see, if it's blocked, then you can have an issue. So it's blocked here at the hose as well. So you want to double check and make sure it is not blocked right here. Now if it is blocked, you can use a screwdriver and clean it out. Now after giving it a good clean, you can try to run your washer again. Now the other thing that you might want to check is the filter. So we take the one out. This one here, make sure it is nice and clean. So we take it out like that. And you need to open the filter here and give it a clean. So here we can pull it back. Have it open, and you can clean on the inside. Now go to your sink and wash it thoroughly. And once you have cleaned it, just put this one back in place. Another thing to clean is this non-return valve. So you want to pull this open. So before you do that, make sure you drain all the water out. So drain all the water out, and then we'll put it that way to open it and clean this one as well. Okay, once you've done that, you can try the machine again. Now I can hear the water is draining and it's going to the sink now this time. Now you should be able to hear the water running in the sink. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.